Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie Infinity Siren Red colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, look at on the marking area. The stitching is reversed, it's different direction, and this one also you can see the leather here, the stitching here, the wavy stitching is not placed right in the middle of the midsole. You can see it should be like this, like the authentic. And this one also, you can see on the marking area. On the fake one, the stitching is end up like a V letter, whereas on the authentic, it's end up like A letter. You can see here, this one is V. Another sample again, you can see it's still same. This one, the stitching is wrong direction. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the fake one, you can see the shape of the outsole here. It's a little bit wavy, and this one has a glue stain here, a little bit white glue stain. And this one also, you can see the shape on the authentic one is just straight horizontal, whereas on the fake one it's a little bit wavy and it's dirty because there's a glue stain here. And don't forget the stitching here is crooked, and you can see here on this one is the left shoes. It has a wrong placement of the stitching here. It should be on the bottom of this, just like the authentic here. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, the Kyrie logo is a little bit sloopy, just like not like the authentic one. The authentic one is straight vertical. Take a closer look. You can see here Kyrie logo here slightly come up, it's a little bit higher. This one also, you can see here, it's a little bit higher than the authentic one. And this one is the easiest part of spotting fake Kyrie Infinity. You can see here, this one, the signature here is slightly to the left. And this one also, just pay attention to this. On the authentic one, the authentic is placed right in the middle, the signature. This one, you can see on the fake one, this one is slightly to the left. And this one also, this one is slightly to the left, you can see here. And this one is slightly go down, you can see it's too close with the outsole. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.